And welcome back to the Midnight Snack. Now, I know what you're thinking. Adrian, you haven't been here for the longest time. You've been gone for a month. I know. I've been gone for a while, and I apologize. But we are back, and we're going to be making some yummy food today. So today, we're going to be making strawberry cheesecake. Who doesn't love a good strawberry cheesecake? Some chocolate animal crackers, because we're going to make a chocolate crust. We got our eggs, we got our cream cheese. We have a whole pound of strawberries that we're going to be using to top our cheesecake and put into the cheesecake. So, let's dive in. I wonder how much sugar's in there now.
Oh, shoot. That's sugar?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have and... Can't see anything above your shoulders.
Okay. So we're going to take 1.5 cups of some chocolate animal crackers, which are very good. My fiance did try them. She said they're very nummy. We're going to put them straight into our blender, and we're going to pulsate them until they are just bits. I don't know if you can see. Can you bring the camera up here? There's one animal cracker that is literally just stuck.
He's like, no, I'll never go. I'll never get off the tripod either.
You take the tripod with you.
One, two, it's a lot. Where is she?
Right there.
She's like, no, you'll take my legs, but not my freedom. Come on, focus. But it seems like you'll never take me alive, sucker.
Yeah, I don't want to be filmed.
Sorry, I don't want to be on camera. Sorry, I'm not decent right now. Indecent.
Get out of there.
What was it? A lion, a tiger, or a bear?
I think it was a bear.
Oh my.
What?
I like Cocoa Krispies.
Mm-hmm.
It won't focus.
So that's the consistency we need. Just kind of cornmealy, floury as I spill it all over the floor. And only out of those 1.5 cups, we got a cup worth.
Hey, that's not bad.
Ooh, there's little goaties in here. Little goats.
There we go.
Little bisons. Always put your blade in first. I'll melt this butter. I don't think it's gonna fit. Boop.
45. Oh, over here.
Wow.
How did that give you less?
Because you gotta account for surface volume. It's kind of gonna just lay in there.
But isn't that exactly how much you ground up the first time and it gave you
No,
a...
I gave a full thing. I did a full thing and it gave me a cup, and I did where it said a cup and it gave me a half a cup.
How much more do you need?
That's it.
Oh, well.
That was perfect.
So an actual cup, actually more like 2 cups of animal crackers gets you a cup in it. Hello.
I think she's ready. It explode everywhere?
Yeah.
And then we also need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So before I continue on with this, let's do that real quick. Nothing's in the oven. Okay. We're going to stir in together 1.5 cups of our graham cracker crumb, and then 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, I don't know if all the sugar is going to make it too sugary, but you know what? We're going to find out.
If anything, why don't you just put it in the thing again? It would blend it up better. Everything's great.
Melted butter. Okay, do you think that's going to be good enough? Let's see.
You gotta...
It's going to... Yeah, it looks like it's packing down.
Well, yeah.
Okay, let's get in another thing of butter in here. Let's get another
Not like a lot more, but...
Let's do like a tablespoon. It's a chunk, but it's not big enough.
So you're making like a Boston like style, or like what are you doing? Because it's chocolate.
It's practically going to be a strawberry or chocolate covered strawberry cheesecake.
Okay.
I don't think a tablespoon was enough.
I don't think it was either. It looks kind of...
Is it doing it?
Well, there's like a video in there. These were nice. Or something. But, you know, honestly,
What?
that might be okay.
Well, I guess the test would be we put it in the bowl and we
Yeah.
start forming it.
Yeah.
I'll melt down the rest of this butter
Okay.
just in case, but
Yeah. You need the eggs for that video.
I'm waiting for all those to warm up so I'll put it in the fridge. I'm just worried because it's so...
Sandy? I mean, it's not supposed to be super...
Yeah, but it's not like, oh, it's not barely even forming. Thank you.
You're welcome. In the video, after many tests with how much butter, you have to keep it a reminder of how much butter you've used.
Well, so far I'm up to like 8 tablespoons. If I do this whole thing, it's 8.
So a whole stick of butter?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that kind of sounds about right.
Yeah, I don't know why I was saying 5. Because we're still sand.
Not bad.
Okay, so now we have our dough and our crust firmly pressed against the bowl. We're going to take this and we're going to, in our preheated oven by 350, we're going to be putting it in for 8 minutes. Okay, Google, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, and we're starting now.
Okay, so now we're going to start with our strawberries. You want to have a paring knife, twist off the top, and carefully put it in halfway through the strawberry. You do not want to stab through. You go in a circular motion to pull out the core. Take these and put these to the side now. Alright, take all 4. We have Baker's Imitation vanilla flavor because we don't like to go and buy that straight vanilla because it is mad expensive. Just 1 teaspoon.
Not all of it.
Cup of sugar. 1 cup of soda cream. Three eggs. smells really good. All of it does.
It's gonna be really yummy cheesecake, I feel. I'll have to save some for Steffi.
Take our cream cheese. Yeah, put a little too much in there. Maybe we should have gone with 3 pounds.
Oh, looks like we have stuff for breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah, we gotta bake it, but yeah. This has,
we can mix it into like a pancake batter and bake it and put it on the stove.
Or I could throw it into a skillet. Alrighty, now we have our very delicious mold. Place it in here.
Put it off to the side a little bit. Are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna dump this first. So we're gonna take our water. Think that's enough?
No.
So this whole thing.
Yeah.
Take our hot water. Cheesecake into it. And now we're going to throw this into the oven for 55 to 75 minutes. Okay. Last, we're going to take our strawberries. We're going to set them down where we cut them before. We're just going to vertically go down to little slices. See? Set those to the side. These will be used as decoration for the top of our cheesecake to give it a little extra just design. And there we go. We saved our smallest 3 just for a little accent topper. We're going to keep the leaves on them. They're all washed so we can just put them on top. Okay, Google, stop timer. So, to check our cheesecake, we're going to pull it out.
Oh, she looked really liquidy though.
Yeah, I don't think she's quite done yet.
The sides look cooked.
Sides do look cooked, but that is a little too jiggly.
Well, it said, so what, do another 10 minutes?
Yeah, roast it for another 10 minutes. Okay, Google, timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, and we're starting now.
And just like that, we got a beautiful looking cheesecake. We're going to let this cool down before we add any of our toppings on top of it, just so it doesn't deflate while it's cooling. But we're going to keep it in the pan and let it sit for about an hour before we serve. there you have it, a very delicious strawberry chocolate cheesecake. If you like the recipe, please leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the Midnight Kitchen. If you go and make this, please tag me on Instagram, see what you created with my recipe at Midnight Snack. And I hope you guys have a very tasty and delicious evening. Good night, America.